Welcome to Fixel Tech. In this video, I will show you how we run Google Play Store on your PC or laptop and run Android apps or games on your PC. After installing it, you can easily run your Android apps or games on your PC or laptop without any difficulty. We have need to enable some features on your Windows settings. For this, go to search bar and search Windows features. Now scroll down and find Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hyper-V. Enable both and click OK. Now we restart your computer or laptop. We have need to download some necessary files for Windows subsystem for Android. For this, go to your browser and search WSA GitHub. Now click on first link. As we can see, here are the files for WSA. Now scroll down. This simulator supports both OS Windows 10 and 11. You can also install it on Windows 10, but my operating system is Windows 11, so I click on Windows 11 x64. You can also install it for your desired processor. Now scroll down. This simulator supports Android 13.
Gets kick.
And in some versions, Amazon and App Store are removed, but there are some versions in where Amazon and App Store are available. Now there is difference between the versions. First is contain Google Play Store and services and no Amazon Store, but second contain Amazon App Store. Now we go assets. Here we download first file. Click on it. As I already downloaded, so I cancel it. Here, extract the file. As you can see, the file is successfully extracted. Now we cut it and paste in C drive with Windows files. And paste it. Now we rename the file with WSA. Now we open it and find run file. Now we run as administrator. Now the setup is installing the files. To ensure that your internet connection is successfully connected. Now we wait until the setup is installing the files. The dialog box is appear. Now check it and press continue. Sometimes here fun dialog box appears, but sometimes there are two dialog box. Now both check and continue. As you can see, Windows subsystem for Android is installing. Now after installation, setup will redirect to Google Play Store. Now here sign in. Here we enter your details and sign in. If you find Google Play Store, click search bar and type Play Store. You can easily find Play Store. After installing it, we make some settings in Windows subsystem for Android. For this, click search bar and search Windows subsystem. Click on it. Now go to advanced setting. Click on experimental features. Enable share user folders. Click to on. Now click Windows Focus and click on Independent. So in this way you can easily install Windows subsystem and run Android apps and games and enjoy it. Thank you for watching for my video. Subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thank you.